Hi everyone, welcome to SSR classes. Today in this video we have to draw a circle with radius 4 centimeter. So constructing a circle with radius 4 centimeter. So let's start the video. First of all, drawing here a line of length 4 centimeter by using scale. So first this is starting 0 1 2 3 4. So first drawing here a line of length 4 centimeter, okay, and taking this is O and V. So OV equal to 4 centimeter. Next taking here a point to draw, so this is taking O point. Now taking the length OP by compass by this way and putting the compass on this point and drawing here a arc and which represent a circle with radius 4 centimeter. Okay, next joining the center O up to perimeter to get the radius. So joining this to get the radius, so we got, so this is P point, so radius OP equal to 4 centimeter. So therefore radius OP equal to 4 centimeter. That's all. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful to you, then please share it with your friend. Thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.